Let's go, baby. Hope it's illegal though. I hope it's illegal. It looks close. Do you have a tape measure? You mind if I borrow it from you? Oh, nice, dude. Dude, it felt like super light too. It felt super light. Oh yeah, that's kind of close. It's what I came here for. Yes. Yeah, that's a keeper. Pretty sure it is. Yep. Oh, let me grab that for you. Oh, okay, thank you. Let's do that. Let's do that. Wait, is this even a halibut? That's a halibut, right? It's not like a sand dab, whatever you call it.
Oh, shit, I don't know about sand dab.
Yep, that's 22. Hell yeah, dude. Woo! Fuck yeah.
Alright, for the man.
I want to get one more. Okay. We're good, we're good. Go ahead, go ahead. Yes, dude. That was super light. It was weird. Yeah. Another halibut. Yep, got my second halibut. Oh yeah. Come on. It's gonna be short though. Oh. Woohoo! Uh-oh. Dang, went all the way bottom. They are out here. Come on. 2 halibuts, baby. Let's go. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Same size almost. Let's give it a measure. Ooh, I think this one might be bigger. Shit. Let's see here. It's about 24 inches. All right. feel like I could get another one, but I ran out of bait. Darn. Ain't that a bitch? Woo! Alright, that's awesome. Oh yeah! That's the third one right here. Let's go, baby. Woohoo! I think this one might be the biggest one out of all of them. Shit. Oh! Oh! Oh, that's heavy. Oh, maybe not. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Get in there. There you go. Oh yeah. Let's go. 3 of them. Got my limits. Yeah! Woo! Yes! Woo! Damn! Oh, that's a keeper. I'm not gonna even check. Oh, that's awesome, dude. I'll check, just to be safe. Oh yeah, dude. Yep, 24, another 24. I got a 22, no, 23, 24, 24. This is a 24. Yep. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it, man. Oh, crap, I think it's stuck. Woo! Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
I was up there yesterday.
Saw it?
Yeah.
John, man.
Saw it.
Good.
You did good. You did good.
I came with my buddy right there, and
Dude, you guys stayed out here a while, no salmon?
dude, no, man, it was fucking dry.